Alright, hey, welcome back you guys. I got some more sticker fab goodies. So it's like a whole fucking bunch right here. Got a squeezy this time. It was like $4 or $5 or so on the sticker fab's website. I'll link it. I'm probably gonna make this a 2-part video, maybe, most likely. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this first. These are the emblem ones. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. And these little things right here. Carbon fiber pattern behind with the green so it can match my wheels a little bit to see how it goes. And I'm just gonna show you guys how I did it. So yeah, don't mind my dog, he's being ridiculous right now. But yeah, I'm gonna just get into this right here. So another routine. Get your front, rear. This is one of the rear. So they sent you replacements. That's pretty dope. So sent you whole replacements and they labeled the back behind it and shit. So that's pretty cool. First, we're gonna do this. Grab the sticker. Whoop de whoop. Oh shit, no. You gotta come over here. Get this, get a rag or whatever. Clean it off. First, put some alcohol on that joint. Put some alcohol on it. Some alcohol, but I kind of overdoused it. But I gotta make sure that, we're good. So we're good. Wipe it all off. Sheesh, get all that stuff off of it. Yep, get all the impurities. Wipe it off. Get that. What are you doing? Are you eating leaves over there, sir? I just fed you some food. Wait, what did I do with my thing? Oh. Cool. Shit. Do I need to heat this up? I could. Screw it. What you got to lose? So pretty much, wipe it down with alcohol. If you have a heat gun, whatever, it's kind of hot outside right now. Oh shit. It's not gonna reach, but oh well. It's hot as hell out here. So you do this, heat that bitch up. I can feel it on here, so that's good enough. It's far enough. Heat that bitch up a little bit. Alright, it's good enough. Whatever. Put this right there. Grab your sticker. Grab your soapy water bullshit. Open this film. This actually feels pretty good. Hold on. Look at that and spray this. Spray this. Just you spray this on here and on there just so that if you don't like the placement, you can fix it and it's not punishable. Like this. No. No bueno. Nope. Try again. Oh, it's gonna make it difficult. I think this is as perfect as I can get it. I think so. This is as good as I can get it. Sir, no. No siree. This is as perfect as I can get it. I think. Right now it looks good. Not fun. Okay, so pretty much I need to scoot this over some more. Just a tad. Just a tad. So this is why you don't squeegee it first. You rip it off. That's why you do the soapy water stuff right there. So do this again. Try to get this on here the right way. Try to. So you can have movement. Hold on. scoot this over just a little tad. I wish I had. Okay. Nope. You're trying to get it as perfect as possible. Alright. Yeah. I'll get back with you guys once I get this shit off. Okay. So we're back from struggling. And look what they gave you two. They gave you 2 pairs of each, the front and the back, which is good because I fucked up. This one fell on the ground. This one, I ripped this off because it wasn't for my liking, so I ripped it off on the back and the front. No, I think it was just the front. So I ripped it off in the front, and I used the other one. So yeah, good shout out to them at Sticker Fab because they look out for you when you buy these shits because they know you probably gonna fuck up, so they give you an extra one for the price. So now I know. So yeah, definitely, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the results on this. So let me go ahead and get my light. Definitely looks a lot better right there. So pretty much when you get the carbon fiber one, I forgot, but I know I said it in one of my other videos, but if you forget, when you get the carbon fiber one, you have to warm it up, like make it hot so you can stretch, because it may look funky at first, but once you heat it up and squeeze all the water out and stretch it out, you have to heat it up to stretch it out for all the films. I know for carbon fiber, but I don't know for all the other film types. But yeah, I mean, it looks a lot better now. I don't know if you guys can see it. It looks super good now. It matches my wheels. I mean, I like the carbon fiber because I have carbon fiber bits and pieces on it. So yeah, that's the my little install on here. So definitely heat it up, wet the back surfaces. Once you put it on there and squeeze out all the stuff, make sure you heat it up to stretch the film out for sure. So other than that, guys, I'll see you in the next video. See you guys later.